People with liver disease are routinely told to avoid red meat, but there's a big problem with that I'm going to talk about in this video. I'm Dr. Ken Berry, a family physician. I'm currently at an undisclosed location, and let's talk about liver disease and red meat. So one of the things that is in red meat, L-Carnitine, it actually occurs at the highest amount in red meat, is actually very good for the human liver, including your liver. And I'm going to tell you a few facts about this and then give you some research. You can look into this more and maybe even print this research out for your doctor. It's been shown in research experiments that L-Carnitine can actually improve liver function, can actually cause a regression of cirrhosis of the liver. It's been shown that adequate carnitine levels can improve non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and also lower liver disease markers like AST and ALT. Now, a healthy human body can synthesize about 11 to 34 milligrams of L-carnitine a day, but for many people, including people with liver disease, that's just not enough L-carnitine to get the job done. So you might think, well, I'll just take an L-carnitine supplement because I don't want to eat that red meat because it's bad for me somehow. So here's the problem with taking an L-carnitine supplement. Only about 5 to 25% of an L-carnitine supplement is actually absorbed and used by your body. That's what research shows us. Whereas if you eat red meat, you're going to absorb and be able to use somewhere between 50 and 70% of the L-carnitine in that red meat. It's been shown in research studies that patients with liver disease almost uniformly have low levels of L-carnitine, and by adding red meat to their diet in a significant portion, they're going to effortlessly, deliciously raise the level of L-carnitine in their blood. I've included a research link down in the show notes below to give you more evidence and reading on this. And perhaps you want to print out a copy of this study for your doctor to read if your doctor is currently telling you, a patient with liver disease, to avoid red meat. This is Dr. Berry. I'll see you next time.